In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Eventbrite and Typeform using Zapier or Make. If you want to automate the flow of information between these two tools, this setup is a great way to save time and reduce manual work. The basic idea is simple. One app starts the workflow with a trigger and the other app performs an action automatically. In this example, you can either use Eventbrite as the trigger, such as when a new order comes in, or use Typeform as the trigger if you want the process to begin from a form submission. To get started, log into Zapier or Make, depending on which platform you prefer for building automations. Once you're inside, create a new automation. This is where you'll define what should happen first and what should happen next. If your workflow starts with an Eventbrite purchase, select Eventbrite as the trigger app and choose a trigger like New Order. If your workflow is meant to begin when someone completes a form, select Typeform as the trigger instead. After that, choose the secondary app as the action step. This is the app that will respond automatically when the trigger happens. For example, if Eventbrite is your trigger, you might set Typeform as the action so an invitation can be sent. On the other hand, if Typeform is the trigger, you could use Eventbrite as the action app to create an attendee automatically. The exact setup depends on which direction you want the data to move, but the process is the same in both cases. Next, authenticate both accounts so the automation platform can access the apps securely. This usually means signing in and approving the connection. Once both accounts are connected, you'll move on to mapping the order details or form data. This step is important because it tells the system which information from the trigger should be placed into the correct fields in the action. Take your time here and make sure names, email fields, ticket details, or response fields are matched properly so everything ends up where it belongs. When the mapping looks correct, review the automation one more time and launch it. When turning it on means the workflow will begin running automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. As a final tip, it's a good idea to test the setup before relying on it fully, just to confirm the data passes through as expected. Once that's done, your Eventbrite and Typeform connection should be ready to work for you in the background.